How to turn off microphone on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you exactly how you can turn off your microphone on iPhone, but make sure that you watch this until the end and so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So now we need to go to our settings, scroll down in very bottom, and here you will see some different applications. For example, we want to disable microphone on Snapchat. You just tap on Snapchat and then here you will see near microphone enable tag. So to disable microphone on Snapchat from your iPhone, you just swipe the slide to the left side to disable this toggle. So basically when you open up Snapchat and try to record something, as you can see at the top says your microphone is disabled. This means we now not available to talk on Snapchat app. And you can disable not only from Snapchat or another different app. You just can go back from settings and select, for example, Telegram, and again swipe the slider to the left side near microphone and disable microphone on Telegram app. For example, you want disable on YouTube or on WhatsApp. You just open up any app where you want to disable microphone and swipe just slider to the left side and you will be disable your microphone on this specific app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.